Hello and welcome. My name is Mary Ellen. Today I wanted to share with you a craft that I remember doing as a child. This can be completed in a public school or a homeschool classroom, or it can be used as a family activity. Now throughout the activity, we went off of what I remember doing as a child, so I'm going to provide some suggestions for modifications, and then you may have some of your own as well. For this activity, you need a paper plate, yarn needle, yarn, popsicle sticks, pipe cleaners, hot glue gun, and scissors. A few alternative supplies would be a tack and a styrofoam plate. First, you have to draw your pattern on the plate. Depending on the age of the child, an adult may want to draw the pattern. After drawing the pattern, you take your yarn needle and poke holes outlining it. Again, depending on the age of your child, the parent or teacher may want to prepare this step ahead of time. Since we were going from my experience as a child, we did a little playing around. We discovered two things. Number one, it was a lot easier to poke the holes with a tack. And number two, it was also easier to sew on a styrofoam surface. After you have outlined your pattern with holes, it is time to begin sewing. You can use a variety of colors and be as creative as you want. While constructing our crafts, we chose to use a regular yarn needle, which is pretty dull. However, I did locate a plastic yarn needle at Walmart, so that option is available for you. This craft is absolutely perfect for this time of year. It could be used as an extension to a piece of literature, or it would make a great homemade Father's Day present. In order for our flower to look polished, we chose to glue another plate on the back. We just placed the hot glue on a couple of corners and then pressed the plate on. The inside of our flower is complete, and now we're going to make the stem. We started by gluing two craft sticks together. Then we took green pipe cleaners and wrapped them around the sticks. Next, we glued the craft sticks on. For our final touch, we took green yarn and wrapped it on top of the pipe cleaners, just to make it look a little more leafy. Finally, our beautiful flower. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.